say right now we are getting a sum of values, so that will be a single row, but we will be needing two rows.
Okay.
Yeah. So for that, I have connected with the developer that you have suggested.
But
And
you tell me one thing. That issue was a different issue which came up in prod. This is a new issue, right? It is not related to that issue, right?
it was not a prod. Actually, we haven't deployed a solution in prod. We are working in dev itself.
Right. Okay. No, no. So whatever issue that day when you were on vacation, we got it. That was on prod, right? And that was also on dev.
No. We are not doing anything right now in prod. Everything is in dev environment only.
The deployment is still not done, right?
Not yet.
Okay. So that issue is a different one, and this issue is a different, correct?
Yeah, they are related, but they are actually different.
Okay. And when we wanted to do that testing, right, we discussed it would take about 4-5 hours of effort and all that on that day. So that testing was successfully completed, or did that have any impact?
It was successfully completed, but when we checked the logs and when we monitored the results, we found that this is not the desired expectations. Okay, what we should
that
be.
was because of this issue.
Yes, right.
Which you are currently working on.
Yeah. I'm working with. Yeah. So we are expecting Vishal to take some. It will take some time because the
yes, very good.
Yeah, so actually the code that we have ना विशाल वो हम local में test नहीं कर सकते. So that is the biggest challenge. So we have to do deployment on the cloud, and it takes lot of time.
Okay.
Yeah.
So now tell me one thing. Now whatever support, what is first of all, what is the tech stack here? Is it what is the tech stack on this?
Python only. Purely Python.
Python only. Okay.
Yeah.
Purely Python. And whatever help you got from Kotreya, is it helping, or you want some other additional support to come in?
No. Actually, he has been helping a lot, to be honest, because see, I mean, we need to proceed with this issue step by step. Okay, so as he has mentioned that we are on a current status which we are getting two rows, which is desired, right? But in the second row we are not getting the values. So right now we are working on that.
Okay.
Yeah.
So I mean, my whole point was to ask if he is able to help you, or you need someone else to help you, here to expedite this fix.
Me very nicely.
Okay. Then it is fine. So I'll continue to talk to him and get more details on whatever issues you are facing. He's a senior person. He comes with 15 plus years experience.
Yes.
So
He told me. Yes.
He will support you on that.
Yes.
That is one. And so, what is the timeline you are looking at to get this fixed? Any estimates around by when you can get this fixed?
We can't commit anything very soon, but probably by early next week we should be able to complete. That's what we can.
But why is it taking so much of time?
See, as I said, we are not able to test anything in local. Okay, so when we find a trace or when we find a clue, so every time we will add a logging statement and every time we will deploy. So it consumes time, Vishal.
Okay, but it should not take this much of time, right? We are currently in this week and we are estimating it will go on till early next week, right? I'm sure they'll be having the stakeholder meet again, right? And they may question on that. We cannot push the deployment also, go live deployment also, right? Beyond a specific date.
I think they are not planning yet to push to the prod, Vishal. What they just want is the results from any environment. They just want the result to show to the client.
Let us get it clarified. No, I'll also check with Simple on what is the plan. If this is itself not a blocker for the prod, then I think we should.
Hi, Shreysh.
Hello, Simple.
Discussing with Shreysh on the current set of issues. So, see, what I understand is the issue which we got last week that has been fixed. And while testing, they identified another issue which currently Shreysh is working. Right, and I was checking with them that the support is getting from the other senior developer which we assigned here. Is it okay or some additional support is needed? To which he mentioned that no, I think he's been helping well and things are going on track. But the only challenge he mentioned is to fix sometimes, which will go on until early next year. Now,
परत
I
विचार
can
एकदा.
understand that point in terms of if this is really critical from a production deployment standpoint. Right now, what is our plan? Is this something which will block
अरे म्यूट म्यूट आहे त्याचा, म्यूट आहे त्याचा, म्यूट आहे.
or you feel that production deployment?
Hours also.
Okay. Shreyas, after this call, let's just minutes. I would want to see what exactly. Might be I would be able. The STICO was scheduled, and then Nikki, when she saw the output that it is just the coverage is 32% versus 50%, which was promised to the customer.
What do you
So
mean by